on the outskirts of Nome.
2015 inland mining.
After a year of prep and $1 million spent, Steve Pomrenke's inland operation is finally running dirt.
We're still trying to figure this ground out to figure out where the best gold is. Hit the water line. What in the hell? They buried the water line too damn close.
While moving pay dirt, Steve punctured the line from the pump to the plant.
Now we gotta stop, shut down, get this water line fixed. Son of a bitch. Damn it. Come on.
Facing a major plumbing fix, Steve has no choice but swallow his pride and put in a call to his son.
Guess what I just did? I just tore a damn hole in the water line. You gonna come out and help me patch this thing up, Sean? We need to talk anyhow.